Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick step on how to download the Epic Games Launcher on your computer. To download the Epic Games Launcher on your computer, first launch open a preferred web browser. Go to the URL box and type in www.epicgames.com/store and press enter. Now from this website, click on the download button. At the top right hand corner, your Epic Games Launcher will begin downloading. Wait for the file to download, which will only take a few minutes. Once the download is completed, simply go ahead and launch it open and follow through the prompts to install Epic Games Launcher. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to find the Epic Games Launcher downloaded on your PC and log into your account or create a new account if you don't have one. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, if you've not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. I'll be back with more of these tutorials again. Thanks for watching.